Senje bersong maka senje bersong tamkan kena senje bersong yak ngo senje bersong maka chance maka United song tamkan kena United song yak ngo tamkan kena United song yak ngo chance maka manggo yang senje bersong Saint Xavier tim B yang ke United mau tahu pungmi match naji ready start ka naitong disapoy mo second round United sung yak ngo ball Saint Xavier sung yak ngo
आराम से रिसीव आप खड़े मोहन कम
Saint Xavier sung maka tam khane kena Saint Xavier sung yak ngo
मोहन कम बैक कॉल हिम समय गोलकीपर
United sung tam khane kena sab sung gol khaiman yang maka yang Saint Xavier song
hold come take place receive don't give easy
United song yak ngo tam khane kena United song
Jangan tunggu. Mohon comeback. Play ground. James Kadir. Ador, where are you?
oh real mangga yang Saint Xavier sung tam khane kena mangga Saint Xavier sung yak ngo chance mane tongo an hai tam khane kena United sung yak ngo hai Saint Xavier sung yak ngo tam khane kena
Ya, Ador. Go inside. Ready. Let him go. And done. Go, yes.
maka yang maka
Sal, you make it first.
offside
Winning check. Thar. Easy.
maka yang Saint Xavier sung maka tam khane kena situ gor kaya sung maka tam khane kena situ gor kaya Saint Xavier sung gol ka ting dong gol kah Saint Xavier sang Saint Xavier tim ya tak sab tam khai mana kena United sung yak ngobol Saint Xavier sung yak ngotam khai nek kena bro ek gol rozak
mangka Saint Xavier
tam khai nek kena United song
Adar, go to your back. Go to your place, Adar. Yeah, give away.
kamu sakit tong layo
No, that's good. Selfie, don't be selfish, come on. Lagi. Masa.
mako Saint Xavier song foul lah tam khai nek kena Saint Xavier song
Either in the box, in the second bar.
Second bar.
Anywhere you want.
Corner.
Just good. Your leg is too big, that's why. Back.
United tim tam khai nek kena sakit tong layo tam khai mana kena Saint Xavier sung yak ngobol maka Saint Xavier sung tam khai nek kena Saint Xavier sung yak ngo tam khai chance maka Saint Xavier sung tam khai nek kena chance mana tongo chance maka ekdom Sevina saka
Take place, yeah, keep pass. Come beside goal. Sal, enter inside, goal inside.
Mantap.
Yang kecil go.
Romo nyaru
Sal, come beside.
Side sini.
tam khai nek kena Saint Xavier sung yak ngo
Come beside. Hey, again, get him. Yeah, come here, Sal. Sal, come here. Out, yeah, Sal.
Ya.
United sung yak ngo sakit tong daka
Come on.
Saint Xavier sung yak ngo
Come on.
Saint Xavier sung yak ngo yellow card man sana yellow card maka
Yellow card ada. Gimana?
tam khai nek kena tau Saint Xavier sung yang basal aja lain gol khanya bagai out United tim tam khane kena United tim sung yak ngobol
Smile back. Mohon comeback. Lihat.
Saint Xavier sung maka tam khane kena hai tongko maka oh wah me wasik san se free ekdom sitong malia
Masa. Bol lagi. Steal the ball one. Steal the ball. Steal the ball. Steal the ball.
United team tam khane kena tabuk. Yang jutaan pasal aja gol khane magoi.
Abang Nadi, pass time. Lalim.
Ayo mau chance na saya no.
Lalim.
United team song yak ngo tam khane kena. Foul mana kah?
Come back. Lalim mau stand.
United team song tam khane kena. Yang mau chance dia no boro yang Saint Xavier song. Anai United team song yak ngo. Tam khane kena Saint Xavier song team. Saint Xavier song yak ngo tam khane kena. Kangken segitu tinggi kalau yo, gol zaburok. Mangka Saint Xavier song.
Yang warti.
Out. United team song tam khane kena. Maka Saint Xavier song tam khane kena Saint Xavier song yak ngo. Chance songko Saint Xavier song chance songko.
United FC nil.
Oh.
The ball ready to take the goal. Again, the center will Alfred just number. Then atmosphere FC underscore
Maka hanya Saint Xavier song yak ngo. Maka Saint Xavier song maka tam khane kena. Chance maka fatar teri hoga. Chance mama ekdom fatar te. Yang United song tam khane kena.
That's number 11 from United FC gets the ball. The center way. Pass to that's number 15. That's wrong pass. That's number 2 from Saint Xavier passes to Matai. That's gone out and the ball is in favor of Saint Xavier. Out throw being taken by Saint Xavier. That's number 11. Behind there, San Zamatia. If he's called, pass to Saint Xavier. That could be foul. Foul committed by that's number 13 from Saint Xavier. Free kick given to
United song. Free kick maka.
United FC will take the free kick.
Yang lain basal aja.
From any reality, you know. Kick will take it by just number 59. This went in favor of Saint Xavier.
Chance tong.
Please can you open the podium door?
Chala gorom chole tong nagara. Sabo winner sabo third round than chance ma yang United song yak ngo ball tam khane kena. Chance maka United song chance maka. Ana hai. Ayo kore. Xavier song tam khane kena.
Saint Xavier's 1, United FC nil. Saint Xavier is leading with 1 goal so far in the first half. We are still in the first half, and the ball with just number 10, the captain of the Saint Xavier, went straight to goalkeeper. Goalkeeper makes no mistakes and passes to just number 11 from United FC. That's a long pass. Ball in favor of Saint Xavier. Oh, just number 2. You cannot miss like that. Passes to just number 17.
Mangka.
To just number 7 could be. That's offside. Nicely kick being taken by goalkeeper of United FC. If it's Kaloy, that's the ball. The right winger clearance from Saint Xavier.
Yang United song tamkan dengan United song Sanjever song yak ngo an hai chance song ka Sanjever song tamkan dengan pada tu
What an atmosphere in this beautiful morning, the Don Bosco Mini Stadiums. We have a beautiful match played between St. Saviour's High Secondary versus United FC.
Hey.
Hello. That's the number 15 from United FC. Passes, but still in favor of their team. Says receipt being taken by jersey number 3 from United FC. However, it's a good interceptions from St. Saviour's.
Sanjever song yak ngo tamkan dengan
That's not a good crossing. Has been taken by Outro. Nicely crossing been taken.
Maka hanya chance maka Sanjever song chance maka wah moyo asik free. Oh chance song ni. Oh goal song asik chance song ni. Miss kharga. Chance yang United ni. 9-in.
That could be a second in the row, but we have seen 2 chances being missed.
United song tamkan dengan United song tamkan dengan chance maka berago. United song yak ngo ball. Chance mana tunggu United song tamkan dengan
Still in favor of the United.
maka chance maka United song.
Has taken this is number 11.
Yang bo chance Riano. Sanjever song.
It's a half time.
Half time. Second half night tabuk.
Sanjever, second half score time.
Out.
That's number 2 from
Yang pura student dok. Faizang mang naina bagai kupulung. Yang duk maka
So
Sanjever ni.
player from St. Saviour needs a medical attention. Referee call, yes, has given a call for a medical team. Oh, it's a corner kick.
Oh. Hasap kemble.
That's a little
Asik chance mama ni.
for the second goal for St. Saviour. Still in favor of St. Saviour versus the Matai. Yes, Matai.
Ana hai Sanjever song maka tamkan dengan Sanjever song yak ngo free maka. Oh.
St. Saviour. Good interceptions from United FC.
Ana hai United FC song yak ngo.
The left winger from
United song yak ngo tamkan dengan United song.
William Phillips. What's going to happen?
Corner kick maka United song.
For an equalizer. Nicely covered, been taken by the Zaslam 11. Letting win in favor of the United FC. Zaslam 3 has the ball. And good interceptions from St. Saviour.
Ana hai Sanjever song yak ngo.
Clinton has taken the ball. Wait for the good practice. Clearance by Zaslam 15. And 1 for now. Throw been taken by St. Saviour. Nicely been thrown. Sent to Zaslam 7. Sanjanatia. That's a little bit of
Offside.
push. So the referee makes no mistakes to count for foul.
Foul.
Otherwise, it could happen, and this is still for United FC.
United FC tamkan dengan
Who takes this free kick in the center way? That's number 12. If it's called, sends to Prosentudia, but in favor of St. Saviour, clearance from United FC. Passes to just number 11. Nicely been taken by Zasrama. Captain passes to Zasrama 11. Could be a dangerous moment. That's in foul. Yes, it's called. Zasrama 11 passes to Zasrama 3. Little bit of push and foul. Been given in favor of United FC. Zasrama 11
United FC tamkhaine kana.
Hello.
Let him use there.
They will make no mistakes from here. 30-yard distance. The free kick will take in just number 11. West West, the goalkeeper. The second attempt for the goalkeeper. And the second attempt, goalkeeper makes no mistakes. In the first attempt, into the push, maybe. The goalkeeper gives signals. It's okay. Samai will take this free. Has been taken by just number 15, the defender of United FC. Presents it well.
United FC
And that's an interception in favor of Sensen. Samai will take this free kick from the center halfway.
Tamkhaine kana Senji Bersong.
Nicely been taken by Samai.
Tongko.
The claiming for maybe foul, but it's in favor of the United FC. Also been given just number 11 from United
United
FC.
tamkhaine kana.
In favor of the
United yakunggo tamkhaine kana United telang tongo. Chance mangka tamkhaine kana United so.
That's not in favor of the United FC.
Yang second daga Senji Bersong boy.
But nothing in favor of the United FC so far. That's number 14 Manto versus that's number 17. So that's number 10. The small captain. Playing for maybe a foul, but referee says no, carry on. Keep on playing. United FC, that's number 3. Passes to that's number 3. Yes, Aslan gets closer and closer. Oh! That's better challenge and good interceptions from the defender of Cincinnati. That's number 11.
Senji Bersong tamkhaine kana Senji Bersong yakunggo. Senji Bersong maka chance maka.
Amazing news. We have seen too many chances created by the Cincinnati team.
Kaham tunggu tongo tabo. Sabab painai tunggu. Pongjaran ini sabab painai kana.
Cincinnati would have been there.
Hai United sung yakunggo.
That's number 9 from United FC.
Mangko yang Senji Bersong. Thank bagoy. Ablia.
But we have seen few chances created, easy chances, but nothing is in favor of Saint Xavier from the chance. Person Zidane sends to number 11 and 11 passes to
United sung yakunggo ball. Tamkhaine kana bro.
Again possession number 11. Wrong pass. Still in favor of possession number 11.
Don't do direct attack.
And that chances will be done for Saint Xavier. The first change.
Change.
Matai is
Senji
out,
Berni.
jersey number 14, and jersey number 6 gets in the second half. This is the position. Saint Xavier has to defend, otherwise could be in trouble, or else you have to score. Let's be taken by Simon.
Mangko. Senji Bersong miss karka. United sung yakunggo.
Is there to take the ball. Jersey number 6 who just went in.
United sung yakunggo tamkhaine kana bro.
Jersey number 15 from United FC with the ball. Passes, but not cover of the Saint Xavier. Asking referee to whistle for. Not given.
Hai United sung telang tongo. Tamkhaine kana United sung.
Passes to jersey number 3.
Hey, offside on.
Oh, that could be the disturb, but this amateur will take the escape. In the center has been taken by jersey number 8. Jersey number 2 makes no mistakes from Saint Xavier. And passes to
Mangka Senji Bersong mangko tamkhaine kana. Mangka chance mangka. Three. Oh.
pace. And Kuman Santamatia, the scorer of the first goal in this match, just been taken by the red defender, passes to number 17.
Hai mako yang Senjeber sang tam khane kena. Senjeber sang maka.
This one straight to goalkeeper. Goalkeeper has sent to jersey number 9.
Yang United sang yakung ko.
Good player of the United FC. Jersey number 3 passes to jersey number 9 again. That's 9.
Hai Senjeber sang maka. Senjeber sang maka. Senjeber sang maka. Senjeber sang maka. Wow! Senjeber sang maka. Oh, 들어가 Senjeber sang. 들어가 Senjeber sang. hai. Tek gol ka. Ting tong.
Next, no mistake times and in favor of Saint Xavier. Now the score is Saint Xavier 2. Reading with
United FC. Tam khane kena tabuk.
in the second half.
Senjeber 2 gol ka.
From now onwards, you need to defend, otherwise could be in trouble. You never know in the small crowd. Even it's just a matter of a minute, you can change the mode of the game. Just needs a momentum. If the momentum is not in favor of your team, you know, it can be a problem for you. So you need to defend well and just keep the momentum in favor of your team. That's number 11, the second goal scorer of this match. Long pass and in favor of
United sang yakung ko.
We have seen a nice attack.
United sang yang free kick maka.
From United FC, the pass
Tam khai mana kena. Chance sang bong bagai.
This free kick, a left footer. It's a Messi style, left footer. Free kick taken away, it's scored from the left footer. That is just straight to the goalkeeper. And goalkeeper makes no mistakes. That's number 15. Passes to it. That's number 14 presents it here. The former school captain of Saint Xavier. Now, listen to the opponent. Kazani takut kayak bukuk song. Tabung Nikela, Saint Xavier versus United FC. Saint Xavier from tabung song zorotin. 3 goal by of match now. League play tunggu. Sing tabung second half. Pace rasan ibisi gono. Stop it time. Kaya ba kela matal jangai. Tabung gua referee single lihat ko. Kela 2-3 minit ibisi gono change bermain no. Abang susia tabung tangan. Samai just number 4 pass back here. Left winger. Oh, over wrong pass. Just number 14. Just number 17.
Mang Hoyang Senjeber sang yakung ko.
Just number 7 pass back here.
United team tam khane kena.
Just number 7 San Jamatia. Left winger. Bono first goal score kayo o match.
Hai mako Senjeber sang.
Just number
United sang tam khane kena.
United FC ninginay. Isa na ginay. United FC ninginay. Don is the main key player.
Chance.
I took a free kick naka. Just number 7 out. Just number 12. Command Wilson in. Saint Xavier ninginay. Recall by lead kaya maba. Defend. Crack kaya bagay. Mula defender mataka. Just number 6. Nah, oke, 11 pass kaya tengani. Lebar, stick sama baik. Apakah marah-marah nih? Chances. Kita jadi absen ini nih. Head back pass semai. Just number 2 lihat ball tahu. Still ball out. Sensitive shot. Kami defend kaya. Ada yang ball tahu. Just number 17. 3. Sisa ni bagaimana? Waktu kisah kusuk hujan saya, goalkeeper ni bagaimana biasa kamu? Has been taken by just number 9 versus 15. Just number 15.
United sang tam khane kena. United sang yakung ko. Tam khane kena United sang yakung ko. Chance maka.
There's a matter of dribbling. Nice visit. Defended by Sen. We'll have to wait for some magical moment for United FC.
Chance tunggu. Bung bagi tamkan kena United song.
We'll have to wait for the crossing still. The pass be taken. Nice. This is another event for United FC. Sumai clears the ball. Could have been in danger. That's number 3. That's number 15. That's number 9. United FC gets the ball. Passes to just number 3. We have to see the clearance. That's number 15 receives the ball. Should be in a handball. Yeah, referee whistles for the handball.
Release him, man.
Oh, there was a little bit of stamp on the field.
2 minutes. 2 minutes dong show.
Extensions being shown to referee.
Tapon, run.
2-minute extensions of time or injury time. We can say the injury time. We have to wait for some magical moment for United FC to come along in this match. Otherwise, you are out of the tournament. In favor
Senji Verson tam khane kena. Anhe makwa Senji Verson.
Still in favor of Sensibia. Ball is with Sensibia.
Anhe tongko chan Senji Verson yak ngo.
Who wants there to take the ball? Goal kick. Goalkeeper has taken the shot, but that's a look shot. That's number 6 from Sensibia.
Senji Verson yak ngo.
Nice outshoot again by, but no one's there to take the ball. Nice shot. That's a full try and fight from this first match in this beautiful
Baik yang Senji Verson.
Sensibia won by second. A 2-goal in this match.
Cut down kakak bro. Cut down.
For the next one, and we wish a good luck in the.
Yang United song kahamna thangka. Bro gol khaimali ata.